Hello friends, today we visited Porsche factory where they built a new Porsche 918 Spyder hybrid sport car. Какая красивая картина. Great moment.
We didn't build a new hall or anything. We used the old paint shop. So this is actually where we used to paint the normal cars before we built a new one. And we have really special things inside here. For example, the screwdrivers we use here in the 980 manufactory. They're with Bluetooth and ionium batteries. And not with gas like over there, so it's not that noisy. We try to reduce everything that makes too much noise in the production so that it's really calm and everything. The normal spots you have in the normal production, like from one spot to the next spot, is around 3.7 minutes. From this in the 980 manufactory, every station takes 111 minutes instead of 3.7 minutes. This is, we have a line alone 15 to 20% of the time for one station just to check for the quality of the car. So, because it's of course very important that this car, that everything is at its best. Summary. Of course, we have our own assembly for our cars. Especially here we have our own saddlery, and as you can see it's lots. So you can come with me. Some things are just the cockpit. All different parts of leather. We have everything here, so we can do all of the saddlery and leather work just right here, except of the seats. They have already leather on. Also, people working here, as you might have recognized, we have the acid green on the wall. We have also special clothing for the guys working and girls working in the 980 manufacturing.
How many people working here?
In this part, around 70 to 80 people. And we also just work in one shift. 3:45 in the afternoon. Normally, and of course, also when you finish the car and there are still some parts on the wagon, you did a mistake. We used to have in the normal production, we call it one man, one motor. In the normal production we don't have it anymore because it's not the most efficient thing you can do. But here one worker builds one motor for the 918 Spyder. We even thought about naming the employee that does the worker, but there are some markets that don't want to know who did the motor. Maybe in Arabia, some people might have a problem that a woman built the engine, or in America maybe there are some people then thinking if there's a mistake. That's why the name is not on the motor, but it's one man or one woman, one motor. Is of course the wedding, when motor and the eggs comes together with the body, and in the 980 manufacturer we start with the wedding, and then we move on. So we have back there the motor, and it's really step by step. We use the same system as we use in the normal production, so all the parts you need at the special place are always just there. You don't have
just in time delivery.
Just in time, just in sequence.
It's a serial production.
No, it's a limited product. It's a limited number, and it doesn't mean you don't have to. If you order it and you say my lucky number is 333, and you order it before me, and I say my lucky is number 4, your one is produced first. So it doesn't. It's not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not chronological way. It's whatever the customer chooses.
It's for customer.
It's no, it's it doesn't have to be. Yeah, it's no, it doesn't have to be the 4th one. But he chose I want limited number 4, and it wasn't gone yet.
Fahr rein.
Saudi Arabia,
like the exterior color, for example, and it's also an extra option, platinum satin gloss. That's an option we offer for all other vehicles, for the 911 and for the Cayenne as well, platinum satin. For example, another nice option is ordering extra option, the seat belt with another color on the left and on the right. So you can order it, for example, in orange or in acid green. Over here you see it in silver, or in gray, which match perfect to the exterior color for sure.
What is writing here on the mirror? Look at this.
Oh, should I translate? No, I'm sorry. It's Arabic. I'm sorry. I have no idea. So maybe it's something like the vehicles in the mirror looks bigger, closer than appear, or something like that. I think it's something like that in Arabic, but I'm so sorry. I don't know Arabic. Another floor mats or normal Nubuck etching floor mats. Over here we designed for the 918 carbon floor mats with an etching on the left and on the right. So especially for the 918. They are made out of parts of carbon and are only available for the 918. And one last thing regarding maybe the space, the luggage compartment, for example. You think it's a very small luggage compartment over here, and that's why we designed a special luggage set. For example, you can order it as a 5-item, 3-item or 2-item luggage set, and which will fit exactly into the 918 luggage compartment. A déjà vu with that, when you see the steering wheel of the Macan. It's not exactly the same, but it's comparable. So the styling and the design is nearly the same in compared to Macan, in Macan 2980. So there you have a déjà vu, for example.
not, we're gonna go over to the customer launch where they're all what customers do when they order a 918, where they can see the leather parts, what options do I have to order. This is also where we deliver the cars if we're gonna pick it up in Stuttgart. And behind this room there's the exclusive manufacturing. We have an engine assembly, a big engine assembly also here in Zuffenhausen, and every motor of Porsche comes from Zuffenhausen. Also the ones for Panamera, Cayenne and Macan. We build the motors here and the engines here and ship them to Leipzig.
And body?
Body parts are made, some parts are made from Austria. And other parts. We don't have an own body workshop for the 918.
So, and we have a special 918 exclusive consultant over here in Zuffenhausen. She's available for the customers who want to have an extra service, extra consultancy for the 918. And yeah, lots of customers, I think, use this kind of service for configure his personal or the personalized 918. If you want to order, feel free.
Yeah. How many free?
What's the current number right now?
We sold more than half of them, and we sold more now in those little time than we did at the same time when we had the Carrera GT back in 2002, 2003. There are internal bets when will the last car be ordered, and it's going to be fun. Those many people that are going to have to wear a band.